tuloy tayo.
Yes, Father Tonyo.
Actually, isa sa mga major consideration yan ng committee when we were planning for the opening program. Dahil September nga yan, ano na yan, panahon na yan ng rainy season, no? And we're expecting La Nina to develop, no? But isang firm decision na ginawa ng committee, tuloy ang opening ceremony kung ordinaryong ulan lang, no? Of course, hindi naman yung delubyo. Kasi talagang walang plan B. Ang plan B, just in case talagang hindi kakayanin, it will be moved on the next Monday. Okay? So, September 19 is a Friday. Then, next Monday, yung Monday susunod, that will be the rescheduled opening ceremony.
So, yeah, kasi hindi kompleto experience niyo sa UST kung walang ulan o bagyo. Kailangan kasama yan sa experience, Tomasian experience. Well, seriously, in case of heavy rains, we will reschedule the opening on the Monday, September 22, 2025. Now, kung talagang bumagyo, tuloy-tuloy yung ulan, we will find another time to hold the opening of the UAP. Kasi nga, we really prepare an outdoor opening program. So we really want it to have the opening dyan sa grandstand at sa open field.